Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, today our topic is M.C.Q based on chapter 5. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is M.C.Q chapter 5. We have already done some M.C.Q based on chapter 5. This is our second class. So we can write here part 2. And this is lecture number 29. This is lecture number 29 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 26 number SW. Our today's SW number will be 26 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is 6 MCQ questions and answers. We will solve this question. We have already provided you suggestion and this question is based on our suggestion, and this is from 16 number to 21 number. In 16 number, here is the question: what enzyme does the salivary gland produce? What enzyme does the salivary gland produce? The answer will be ptyalin. That means option A. Here is the 4 option: ptyalin, trypsin, lipase, amylase. The answer will be A number, ptyalin. Now 17 number question: which teeth perform the job of grinding? And before answering this question, we can see our book. This is your science book. If you open 49 page, you can see here is a point. This is molar teeth. Molar teeth help chewing and grinding of food substances. So here is the option. Question was, which teeth perform the job of grinding? 1 number is molar teeth, B number premolar teeth, and C number canine teeth, and D number incisor teeth. The answer will be molar teeth. So we will put tick here, A number option. Now 18 number question: which part of the digestive tract looks like the letter U? Which part of the digestive tract looks like the letter U? Option is, here is cecum, B number rectum, C number duodenum, and C number duodenum, and D number jejunum. Before answering this question, we can see our book again. You can open 49 page again. Here is the answer. You can see in small intestine, you can see here is a 3-part duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In duodenum, here is a written, this is the first part of small intestine, and next part of small intestine looks like U. That means duodenum's next part is jejunum. That means jejunum is U shape. So the correct answer is jejunum. That means D number. So we will put tick here. Now 19 number. Which one is the largest gland of human body? Which one is the largest gland of human body? Option is pancreas, B number intestinal glands, C number gastric glands, and D number liver. Answer will be liver. The answer will be liver. Now 20 number. How many chambers are there is human heart? How many chambers are there in human heart? There is, the option is 3, B number option is 4, and C number option 5, and D number option 7. If you open your book, again you can find the answer. In our human heart is divided into 4 parts. Here is 2 atrium and 2 ventricle. So the answer will be B number. So the answer will be B number. Now, which medium circulates the highest velocity of sound? 21 number question. Which medium circulates the highest velocity of sound? A number option is vacuum medium, B number option is solid medium, C number option is gaseous medium, and D number option is liquid medium. The answer will be B number, that means solid medium. Which medium circulates the highest velocity of sound? The answer is solid medium. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 26 number SW. And your SW will be this M.C.Q, 6 M.C.Q. Here is a 6 M.C.Q. This will be your SW. You have to write the question and options with the answer. Student, I am repeating this SW. Your SW number is 26 number SW, and your SW will be 6 MCQ questions and answer. That means all of this. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.